Let's learn gira 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 gira. बहुत अभी चल रहा है Instagram में, it's going a lot. I'll make it very simple for you. It's a beautiful number. So the first thing is that you go like gira gira gira. So from here you will go like, as in there is a keychain in your finger and you're moving it. So it's like gira 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 3 times you do. Now what you do is take your left in the front, right at the back. Okay. And how you're going to move is from here. First start with the right. Tap and bring the left. Tap and bring the left. Tap and bring the left 3 times you will do. And while doing this, keep this hand over here like this, and this left hand and right hand doing like this. Okay, it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. Now the fourth count, what you do is take your right this side, and as in there's something in your hand and you're offering everybody, do like this. And while doing this, take your right back, 1, and keep it like this. Shift your body weight to the right side. This hand over here. Now you have to go that side. How will you go that side? Start with right leg. Tap. While you tap this, left up. 1, 2, 3. If this is difficult, simplifying it, just go on the right side. 1, 2, 3. And while doing this, your hand is over here, this hand is over here. Move the shoulders back. As in somebody is tapping and you're like, go away like that. Okay. Keep hand like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the next step is, as in you have a cloth in your hand, or if there is a talwar or a knife or sword over here, you take it and take it out. Keep your hand like this and keep it up, or it's a cloth, you are waving it down and waving it up. Now next step, what you do is take your left leg up. Okay, hold like as in you are riding a horse. Hold like this, and this has to go like this. 4 different directions. You're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times you have to hop. So it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After 4, keep your left down. Now the next step is, imagine there is water down, and you're playing with the water like this. Your friend is there, you're just throwing that water on that. Now while doing this, first you have to go on the right, then you have to go on the left. So how do you do is, kick and come on this, kick and come on this, kick and come on this side, kick and come on this side. So this is right, this is left. So while you're doing so, if you do a little fast, we go like 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you go on the right, you have to turn right side, right hand up and like this. As in the sand in your hand, you're clearing it. So it is 1, 2, 3.